Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning, students. I hope you all are staying fit and healthy. Welcome back to the English grammar class. Today we would be starting with the new chapter Adjectives from the Grammar Gate textbook. Before moving towards our topic, I would like to share an interesting story with you all. Once upon a time, there was a huge jungle and many animals lived over there. One day, they all decided that they should select a king on the basis of the qualities they possess. And so, they all decided that they would come forward one by one and share their qualities. So, first came the fox. The wise fox said, I am clever. Then came forward the elephant. The elephant said, I am a strong animal. And last came the lion. The lion said, I am wise and strong. So, students, you might have noticed over here that there are some words which are used before the noun. Let's see the example of the fox. The wise fox said, I am clever. So, the word wise and clever, they both are saying more about fox, or they are talking or giving more information about the noun fox. So, they are called describing words. In the same way, the elephant said, I am a strong animal. So the word strong is describing the animal, which is an elephant over here. So the word strong is saying more about the noun animal. And in the case of lion, the lion said that I am wise and strong. So here the word wise and strong are giving more information about the pronoun I. And who is the pronoun I? The pronoun I is the lion. So all these words are describing the noun or the pronoun given in the sentence. And so these words are called describing words. Let me complete the story over here. So, at last, the lion was selected as the king of the jungle because he possessed all the qualities that a king has. Now, let's move on towards our today's topic. Our today's topic is adjectives. We have already studied what are describing words. Describing words are the words that describe noun or the pronoun given in the sentence, and these describing words are called adjectives. So, an adjective is a word that modifies a noun or a phrase or describes its referent. It means that the word adjective talks more about the noun or the pronoun. It gives more information about the noun or the pronoun in the sentence. It is a word used to state the vice, virtue, quality, quantity, and condition of a noun or a pronoun. You can see that in the image. It says more about the noun. And how does it describe? It can talk about the size, color, the feelings, or how many of them, that means quantity, or how does it look, or how does it sound, how does it smell or behaves, and what is the shape of the noun. So when you get the answer for all these questions, they are describing the nouns, and so those words which describes the nouns are called adjectives. Let's see the example. For example, tall boy. Here, the word tall shows the size of the boy, and so it is called adjective. Green grass. So, how is the grass, or what is the color of the grass? It's green. So, the word green is describing the noun grass, and so the word green is said to be adjective. In the same way, 8 apples. So, 8 is the adjective. Fast car. Here, fast is the adjective. Fresh flowers. Here, fresh is the adjective which describes the condition of the flower. Round ball. So, what is the shape of the ball? It's round, and that is adjective. Cold water. So, how does the water feel? It feels cold, and so the word cold is an adjective. There are many types of adjective. Let's see which are those. The adjectives can be descriptive, demonstrative, interrogative, possessive, and number and quantity. So there are different types of adjectives, but today we would study two of them. So let's study the first one, that is descriptive adjectives. Let's see what are descriptive adjectives. An adjective which is used to express the size, shape, and color of the person, place, animal, or thing is called descriptive adjective or adjective of quality. So, the word which describes the noun and answers about the question regarding the size, shape, and color of the person, place, animal, or thing, those adjectives are called descriptive adjective, or you can also call them adjectives of quality. They give an idea about the qualities of the noun by answering the question, what kind? So you can see over here the image. It shows funny clown. So what kind of clown it is? It is funny. So here the word funny is descriptive adjective which talks more about the clown. In the same way, hot desert. So here they are talking about the place, that is desert, and what kind of desert it is? It is hot. So the word hot describes the noun desert, and so it is descriptive adjectives. In the same way, the third example shows that there is a broken egg. Here egg is a thing, and the word broken shows what kind of egg it is, and so the word broken is also said to be descriptive adjective. Let's move on towards some more examples of adjective of quality. Well, you can see the image over here. What does it say? These are ripe apples and these are red apples. So students, tell me, what kind of apples are these? So these apples are ripe and red. So the words red and ripe describes the noun apple, and so both of these words are said to be adjectives of quality. Let's see one more example. Charles is a naughty boy. So here, what kind of boy is Charles? You can say that he is a naughty boy. So the word naughty describes the noun boy, and so naughty is said to be adjectives of quality. There are some more examples. So let's see some more examples. The first one is C.V. Raman was a great scientist. So here the word great says what kind of scientist was C.V. Raman, and so great is the adjective which describes the noun scientist. Let's see the next example. Grammar is an interesting subject. Here the word interesting says what kind of subject it is, and so interesting describes the subject and it is called adjective of quality. Let's see the last example. The story is amusing. Here, the word amusing says what kind of story it is, and so it is also an adjective of quality. So, I hope that students you have understood the descriptive adjective or the adjective of quality. So, let's move on towards the next type of adjective. The next type of adjective we are going to study is possessive adjective. So students, you already know what do you mean by possessive. Possessive means the thing which shows the possession or the ownership of something. So the words which modify a noun by showing a form of possession or a sense of belonging to a particular person or thing. So here Possessive adjectives are those words which shows the possession or belonging of certain noun, which may be a person, animal or thing. It answers the question whose. So these adjectives answers the question whose. For example, this is my book. So here the word my shows the belonging of the book and it belongs to me. So the word my is considered to be possessive adjective. So here in the image we have some more possessive adjectives and those are his, her, your, its, their and are. So these are possessive adjectives which are normally used to show the possession of a particular person, animal or thing in the sentence. Let's see the possessive adjectives for first and second person. The first person would be myself or I who is talking. Let's see the image over here. It says, this is my picture. So here the word my shows the possession of the picture which belongs to this boy. And so the word my is the possessive adjective used for first person singular. Now the second image says, this is our dog. So here the word our shows the possession of the dog which belongs to them. And so the word our is a possessive adjective used for first person plural. Now let's see the third image over here. It says, these are your shoes. Here, the word yours shows the possession of the shoes which belongs to the girl to whom the first person is talking, and so your is the possessive adjective used for second person, whether it's singular or plural. Now let's see the possessive adjective for third person singular. You can see the image of a boy. Here his t-shirt is green, and so the word his shows the possession of the t-shirt which belongs to this boy, and so his is the possessive adjective used for third person singular male. The next image is of the girl, and let's see what does it say. Her shirt is pink. So here the word her shows the possession of the shirt which belongs to this girl, and so her is the possessive adjective used for third person singular feminine gender. Let's see the last image. It shows a beautiful butterfly. Its wings are beautiful. So here the word its shows the possession of the wings which belongs to this butterfly, and so it is a possessive adjective used for third person singular neuter gender. Now let's see the possessive adjectives for third person plural. Let's see the image. They are listening to their teacher. So here the word there which is used before a noun, that is teacher, shows the possession of the teacher which belongs to them, and so there is said to be possessive adjective used for third person plural. So students, I hope you have understood what a possessive adjective is, and we have also learned the different possessive adjectives used for first, second and third person. Now let me tell you one more thing about possessive adjective. How are they different from possessive pronouns? Let's see the image over here. The first sentence says, this is my ball. So here the word my shows the possession of the ball which belongs to me. And so my is the possessive adjective. While in the second sentence it says, this ball is mine. So here the word mine is used in place of noun, and so it is considered to be possessive pronoun, which also shows the belonging or possession of the ball which belongs to the boy. So remember students that possessive adjective is placed before a noun while possessive pronoun is not placed before a noun. So students, don't get confused with possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Possessive adjective always comes before a noun. I hope you have understood both the types of adjective. We would continue with the rest in the next video. Till then, see you soon, students. Thank you.